boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on one of our sight words. So I need you to get this page out of your packet and get your name on the top. Get on the marker, make some crayons so it shows up. You will need to use your pencil for this, and you will need your crayons to color in some of the words. I'm going to use a crayon so mine shows up a little bit, but when you all do your writing, you use your pencil, okay? All right, the sight word we're working on today is the word to. Put your finger on that word right there. Let's spell it and say it together like this. T-O-2. Let's do that again. T-O-2. One more time. T-O-2. The first thing, hang on just a second, my lights went out. The first thing we're going to do is go on a little to hunt. You're going to find all the circles that have the word to in it. I see one right here. I'm just going to do a couple to show you as an example, and then you're going to find the rest of them your own. I see another one right here. See one down here. All right, so in just a minute, you can go back and keep going and color in all the circles with the word to on it. Then you're going to practice writing to, T-O. You're going to trace it. Then you're going to write it 1, 2, 3 times yourself. T-O-2. 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 And then we're going to read and match these sentences with the word to in it to the picture that matches the sentence. This one says, I want to eat. So you're going to draw a line to the picture that matches that sentence. This one says, I want to play. So you're going to draw a line to the picture that matches that one. And the last one says, I want to swim. So you're going to match up that picture. All right, I want you to go through and do all those steps. Make sure you find all the circles with the word to in it up here. And let's spell and say that sight word one more time together. T-O-2. T-O-2. Good job. Make sure you get all those twos up here.